The whole game is about relevancy and understanding like what's happening in our culture. So as the world continues to shift and we continue to evolve, I think a lot about this phrase, cultural relevancy. What does it mean to be culturally relevant? To understand what's happening in the times, whether it is to understand meme culture or NFTs or blockchain or just simply the power of video or how influencers are being created in business every single day, people like you and I, just because of our willingness to put out content. The whole game is about relevancy and understanding like what's happening in our culture, what's happening in our society. So as you think about this and you're starting out your week, I guess my challenge for you is, where do you need to level up in maybe your modernism, right? Where you can identify, hey, I've been doing this game for a long time. It helped me establish my brand and I've done really well with it, but it's probably time to upgrade, like taking your phone and upgrading to the new iOS, right? You simply don't want to have anything in your business that's running on Microsoft DOS. You might even have to Google that. But think about it, so culturally relevant across your entire business, but also in the way you think. It's being open to new ideas, new approaches, and not shutting things down because, hey, I've had a lot of success in this area of my life and it's always kind of worked for me, but instead, I'm open. I think about my mentor, Mike Vance, one of the most creative people on the planet, worked with Walt Disney for the last 8 or 9 years of his life, mentored people like Jack Welch and Steve Jobs and was friends with Mother Teresa, invented the salad bar. If you've been to a salad bar, I'd go to a restaurant and I'd say, this is a great salad bar. I'd say, you're welcome, right? His whole thing was to understand that every 18 months, we have to do some reinvention in our life. We have to do some reinvention in our life. And then if you look at some of the great business philosophers of our time, they would always say the same thing, like all business is innovation and marketing. Well, where does the innovation need to take place? With us. That's the message of the day. Where do you need to become more culturally relevant? Where do you need to maybe upgrade your iPhone here in the way you view and think about your life and your business? Where do you need to become more of a modernist? That's really the question of the day. Go try something new.